Hello students. Today I am going to start the chapter mensuration related cuboid. Okay, cuboid, room or box. These are all belong to cuboid. Fast track practice questions. Okay, these are the important questions related to class 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this question also coming in the competitive exam in future level. Okay, therefore you have to practice from lower class. The questions are very easy questions, but concept required. If your concept is very strong, then easily you can solve any sum. Whatever the question may be, you can solve applying your small effort. Just see the question given here. The diagonal of a cube given 2 root 3. Find the surface area of the cube. The diagonal of a cube given and find the surface area of the cube. Okay, as you know, the diagonal of a cube formula is what? Root 3 into side. Applying that formula, you can find the value of side, length of each side of cube. Then surface area formula you would apply. Just see. Okay, I am doing the chapter mensuration related cube and cuboid. Question number 1. Your diagonal given. Diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube, how much given? That is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Diagonal of a cube formula is what? Root 3 into side of the cube is equal to 2 root 3. So from here, root 3 will be cancelled out. What is the value of side? Side means each edge of the cube. Side equal to how much you are getting? 2 centimeter. This is the way of calculating the length of each side of the cube. After getting the value of each side of the cube, what is the formula for total surface area? Total surface area of the formula, total surface area of a cube formula 6 into side whole square. How much it will be? 6 4 is 24 centimeter square. Very easy question. Okay, let us go next question. See the question number 2. If the total surface area of a cube given 6 square unit, total surface area given of a cube, what is the volume of the cube? Total surface area given, you have to find out volume of the cube. Total surface area given how much? 6 square unit. Just see. Number 2 question. Total surface area, I am writing here total surface area, in short I am writing total surface area of a cube, how much given here? 6 square unit. 6 square units. As you know, total surface area cube formula is what? 6 into side whole square equal to 6. That means side whole square equals how much? That is 1 dividing 6. Therefore side equal to how much? Root over of 1, that is 1 unit. Each side of the cube you are getting 1 unit. Then how to find out volume of the cube? The volume of the cube formula is what? Side whole cube means 1 whole cube. 1 whole cube is 1. This is the way of calculating volume of a cube having total surface area of 6 square unit. If you know the formula, it will be more easier to solve. Let us get next number. See the question number 3. If the volume of a cube 729 centimeter cube, what is the length of its diagonal? Volume of the cube given and length of diagonal you have to find out. Okay. So what is given here? Number 3. Just write number 3, volume given. Volume of cube equal to how much given? 729 centimeter cube. As you know, the volume of a cube formula is what? Side whole cube, that is 729. Then how to find out side? Cube root. 729 cube root will be how much? This will be 9. Therefore side equal to, you are getting 9 centimeter. Because if you multiply 9 3 times, the answer will be 729. After getting the value of each side of the cube, then you have to find out diagonal. The length of diagonal, the formula is length of diagonal of a cube formula is root 3 into side. root 3 into side. What is that? Side. That means 9 root 3. 9 root 3 centimeter. Okay. The question is given, volume given, then you have to find out side, then you have to find diagonal. These are the short type question, but you have to practice thoroughly. Okay. This type of question will come in the exam. Next question. See the question number 4. The surface area of a cube given 726 centimeter. Find the volume of a cube. Surface area given and you have to find out volume. How to find out? Just see. Question number 4. Surface area given how much? Surface area mean total surface area. Total surface area of a cube given 726. 726. Total surface area formula is what? 6a square. A means side equal to 726. Then a square will be how much? Divide 6. How to do how much? 121. Then a will be how much? 121 root over. Therefore, each side of the cube is equal to 11 centimeter. After getting the value of a, then you can find diagonal, length of diagonal. In case of the cube, the length of diagonal, the formula is root 3 into side. That means this is coming 11 root 3 centimeter. Okay, let us go next number. See the question number 5. The ratio of volume of 2 cube. The ratio of volume of 2 cube given 8 is to 125. And you have to find the ratio of their surface area. Here the question already came in the exam 2014, SSC. All are exam question. Okay, already in the competitive exam this type of question coming. But these are the chapters belong to 7, 8, 9. Okay, if you thoroughly practice, my dear students, if you practice from 7, 8 onwards, it will be more easier to face the competitive exam in future life after graduation. Okay, just practice for future. See, ratio of volume of 2 cube given, you have to find ratio of their surface area. Just see, what is given here? Ratio of volume of 2 cube means V1 by V2 given how much? 8 by 125. The formula, what is the volume formula? Side whole cube. That means side will be how much? A1 by A2 will be how much? Cube root means 2 by 5. If you know the formula volume formula of cube is what? Side whole cube. The first volume I have taken A1 whole cube. Right here, if not possible, A1 whole cube, volume formula side whole cube. For first cube, A1 I have taken side, and for second cube I have taken A2 cube is equal to 8 by 125. Taking cube root both sides, I am getting 2 by 5. And you have to find out ratio of the surface area. Therefore, ratio of surface area means total surface area. Total surface area formula is what? Total surface area formula 6a square means 6 into a1 square by 6 into a2 square. The 6 is cancelled. A1 by a2 whole square. A1 by a2 equal to how much? 2 by 5. That means 4 by 25. So what is the ratio? 4 is to 25. This is the answer of number 5. Volume ratio given. Then you can get easily side ratio, then surface ratio, surface area means total surface area. Okay, let us go next number. Next number I am doing, see, 3 cubes of size 1 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are melted to form a new cube. The volume of new cube is equal to volume of 3 cube having side 1 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. From there you can find the side of the new cube. Find half of the surface area of the new cube. So first of all you find what is the side coming for new cube. Just see. According to question, volume of new cube, volume of new cube is equal to how much? Is equal to sum of the volume of 3 cube, sum of volumes of 3 cubes Therefore, V is equal to sum of volume of 3 cube. The volume of side given, that is 1 centimeter, means 1 whole cube, because volume formula is what? Side whole cube. Then 6 whole cube, then 8 whole cube. 8 whole cube. 1 whole cube is how much? 1. 6 whole cube. 6 whole cube equal to how much? 6 whole cube, 216. Then 8 whole cube equal to how much? Just find 8 whole cube. You have to multiply 8 3 times. 8 whole cube equal to how much you are getting? 512. Now all you add. Okay, then that will give the volume of new cube. After addition, how much you will get? 512 plus 216 plus 1. How much you are getting? 729. This is the volume of new cube. So as you know, volume formula is what? A cube is equal to 729. Therefore, side of the new cube. This is the side of new cube, that is 729 cube root. Means this is coming 9 centimeters. Okay, 9 centimeters. And what you will find out? You have to find out half of the surface area of the new cube. So first of all, you know what is surface area? Surface area is 6 into side whole square. Therefore, half of surface area. Half of surface area. That means surface area formula 6 into side whole square. Total surface area, half means by 2. So this will be cancelled. 3. The 9 whole square is what? 81. 3 into 81, how much you are getting? 243 centimeters square. Okay. This is the answer of number 6 part. Let us go next part. See the question number 8. If each side of a cube is decreased by 19%, then decrease in surface area will be how much? See, these are the question came. Hotel Management Exam 2010. If each side is decreased by 19%, what will be the decrease in surface area? So initially the surface area cube is 6 into 6a square. Okay, just see. Question number I am doing. Number 8. The surface area of a cube initially is what? 6 a square. Surface area of a cube initially is 6 a square. And final surface area? Final surface area of cube, this will be how much? This side will decrease. How much will decrease? 19% decrease. That means final will be 19% decrease. This will be 81. 81 by 100 a whole square. Okay, that means this will be 6 a square 81 by 100 whole square. I am keeping like this. Next you have to find out percentage. Therefore decrease in area, decrease in surface area. Decrease means initial surface area how much? 6 a square. This is 6 a square 81 by 100 whole square. Okay, then you can take 6 a square common, 1 minus 81 by 100 whole square. This is coming. This will be how much? 81 by 100 means this will be 0.1 minus 0.81 whole square. Yes or no? Just calculate. This is the decrease in surface area. Therefore, percentage, you have to find out percentage in decrease. Percentage in decrease in surface area. How much decrease? That is 6 a square. This will be how much? 1 minus 0.81 whole square. I am calculating last. Divided by original surface area, that is 6 a square into 100. See, this 6 a square will be cancel out. Now you subtract 1 minus 0.81 whole square. Just to see 0.81 into 0.81. How much you are getting? That is coming 0.6561 into 100. Okay, just subtract from 1. How much you are getting? This you are getting 0.3439 into 100. Finally, how much you will get? This will be 34.39%. This is the way of calculating. Just you have to apply the formula here. That is percent decrease in surface area you have to find out. The initially surface area of the cube is what? 6a square. 6a square. The final surface area when it is decreased 19%, that means this will be finally 81 by 100 a whole square. As you know, surface area formula 6 into side whole square. In this way you have to write decrease in surface area, then cancel 6a square, then you are getting after simplification 34.39%. This is the percentage in decrease in surface area. Okay, percentage decrease in surface area. Okay, let us go next number. This is the next question I am doing. Question given, just see here. Find the surface area of a cuboid 10 meter long, 5 meter broad and 3 meter height. Length given, breadth given, height given. Say Bank Clerical 2008. So easy type question, but you have to solve very quickly. Find the surface area of a cuboid, length given, breadth given, height. Just see. Length equal to how much given? Just write here first. Length given 10 meter, breadth given 5 meter and height given 3 meter. Okay, these are things you have to put. What is the surface area? Mean total surface area. Surface area means you have to always apply total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid, the formula is 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL. If you know the formula and if you know the tricks, then it will be easier to solve. Just L into B, it will be how much? 50. B into H, that will be 15. H into L, that is 30. Just to add, this will be 2 whole into, this is coming how much? 50 plus 30, 80, 95. 95 into 2, it will be how much? 2 5 are 10, 190 centimeters square. Total surface area of a cuboid, applying the formula here, 2 whole into, this is the total surface area, 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, let us go. Last number I will do, last 2 sums I will do. Today I already completed 8 sums, last 2 sums I will do. Just see. See the next question. If the side of a cube is increased by 12%, by how much percent does its volume? Whenever the side increases, the volume will increase, no doubt. The side increases by 12%, volume increases how much? That you will find. There are 4 or 5 options given. Just see. Volume, initial volume will be how much? Initial volume of the cube is A cube. And final volume will be how much? Final volume will be A means side. Here 12% increase, that will be 112 by 100 A whole cube. Because 12% increase, 12% by 112 by 100 A whole cube. Therefore change in volume by increase in volume. Increase in volume. Okay. Therefore that will be how much? You have to take 112 by 100 A whole cube minus A cube. You can take A cube common. What is left here? That is 1.12 whole cube minus 1. Okay, just calculation required. Therefore you have to find out percentage increase in volume. The increase in volume, that is A cube 1.12 whole cube minus 1 divided by original volume into 100. This is the process you have to apply. A cube cancel out, and next 1.12 whole cube you have to find out. 1.12 whole cube, how much you will get? 1.12 whole cube. How much you getting? That is coming 1.12 0.4049 minus 1 into 100. This will give you 0.4049, just subtracting 1 into 100. It will be how much? 40.49. 40.4. That means this is approximately 40.5%. 40.5%. So what is the percentage increase in volume? Increase in volume by original volume of the cube into 100. Here site of the cube increase 12%, means initial site A, the final site will be 112 by 100 A, because 12% increase, 112 by 100 into A. Volume formula is side whole cube, A cube. This is the initial volume. Initial volume is A cube, and this is the final volume. The increase in volume you have to find out, then percentage increase. Okay, let us go last number today. I will do. See the question I am doing from serial number 12. The maximum length of a pencil that can be kept in a rectangular box of dimension 8 cm, means length given, breadth given, height given, 8 cm, 6 cm, 2 cm. Okay, the other question came in the exam SLAP 2012. Okay, you have to find out the maximum length of a pencil that can, means you have to find out the diagonal of the cuboid. You know the formula for diagonal of a cuboid? Just see the length of diagonal of a cuboid. The length of diagonal of a cuboid formula is L square plus B square plus A square root over. So here length is how much? The length is 8 cm, means 8 whole square. Breadth here 6, that means 6 whole square. H is how much? 2, that means 2 whole square. 8 whole square is how much? 8 whole square 64, 36 plus 4. It is coming how much? 64 plus 40. That is 64 plus 40, that means 104 root over. 104 root over how much? Just you have to find out. 104 root over of 104. 104. How much getting? 10.198. Now this is approximately 10.2. The length of diagonal is 10.2. Okay. Otherwise you can keep like this. 104 you have to factorize. 104 if you will factorize like this. 2 if you go by 2 it will be 52. Again it will go by 2. That will be 26. That means you can write here in this way also. 2 root over 26. 2 root over 26. You can write like this, 2 root over 26. As for the option given, there are 4 options given. The answer is 2 root over 26 centimeter, or you can write 10.2 centimeters. Okay. Either you can write, as for the option, this is the, because you have to factorize in the exam, there is no calculator, that means you have to do by prime factorization method. Just you factorize here out of 2, I will take 1, 2, and just 26 left. So 2 root over 26 is the length of diagonal that the question given to find out. Okay, today this was. Thank you for today class.